I'm switching it up. I'm a little nervous about it. I don't normally come here. I'm at Adam's Antique Mall. Now, this place is huge. It's a little bit overwhelming to me, quite frank. There's a lot of really amazing things that you don't see anywhere else, and a lot of cases, which you guys know I'm not a big fan of. But I thought since I got an early start, I'd switch it up a little. Yeah, like a lot of cases. Look at these little plastics. I love the guy with the dice. They're a little spendy. I actually had a few like that I got at Heart of Ohio. I pocketed one, I sold one. It didn't sell for as much as those are asking. Some really amazing tinies. And then over here, look, there's another West Germany lead crystal perfume bottle. Mine are bigger. This is a really cool Italian vase. If I'm gonna find a crazy cat, it's gonna probably be here, although I already found one. I love the dinosaur, that's really wild. Now this, see? Real clown shoes. Now, this is a case that's amazing. Look at these paintings, my God. That one, the man, dude, what? The turtle boxes? These are insane. Now, you guys might not know this about me. Oh my gosh. That box. Antique porcelain. Antique French bronze porcelain miniature portrait box. That's amazing. See, this is the kind of stuff that I just have a hard time looking away from. The portrait back there. Antique porcelain box. Wow. I wonder if that's Limoges. Saint Josephine? Empress Josephine, excuse me. Wow. Napoleon. Look at the Napoleon box. I mean, that's class. Yeah, I think if I could pick out one item that stands out from the rest, it would be the Napoleon box. It's really cool. That would be fun. Instead of spending a fortune here, pick out one of my favorite things in each case. Now, of course, you know I love the bangles. But I think if I were to pick my favorite item from this case, look at that birdcage box. The piano box, that's amazing. Oh, it's like little perfumes in it. Let's see. What would it be? Huh. Surprisingly, I think it would be the Angel menu. Kind of a no compete in this case. Look at that hat stand. I know there's the one in the back, but the one in the front is the one that really, really speaks to me. And like this, what even is this? Brutalist brass resin floral sculpture. Fantastic. I love the Burmese glass vase and the Epern. That color is everything. Over here, it's the lighting in here too, kind of makes you crazy. Look at these. I love that one, that little box. That paperweight is really cool too, isn't it? It's not usually my thing. Yeah, this place kind of makes me crazy, I can't lie. Now, it's unaffordable to me, but look at this awesome Bakelite cherries necklace. And speaking of unaffordable, check out that. I don't really know what that is, but I love it. Also, I always forget to look up here. Look at those awesome orange lamps. 3 words. Carved monkey skull. What a fabulous ring display. But let's be honest, this is really more my speed. Crazy angel troll. And the little elves, those are all around 35. I love the little ho 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 Santa sign too. This owl, he's kind of fantastic. He's styrofoam. This owl stands out. Side glass owl. I love the green with the white. That's really different. And the Bakelite napkin holders. But down here, there's actually something really crazy that stands out to me. What is that? Studio. Oh, it's pottery. I thought it was glass. 35. That's really wild looking. Definitely would not want to ship that. Now, sometimes going to these places that are on the spendier end are really fun for me because it's, again, you get an education because you learn things that's written on the tags, and you never know what you're going to find. Mid-century cat, Blanco. What is this? This is cool. I love the shape. Like down here. Old Heart jewelry box. It's giant. It's $28. It's also 20% off, which makes it a steal. I'm gonna get that. I love the ones with the beveled glass. What in the world? I love this holiday booth back here. I usually find something pretty awesome. Talk about an HOV Santa. This Santa is legit almost as tall as I am. So not pictured is how cold it is in here. So I'm not sure how much longer I'm gonna last. I'm kind of speeding through. If anything catches my, this is amazing, I love that stuff. If anything catches my attention, I'll point it out, but I'm starting to get super cold. 25% off any item over, well, that's amazing. That's real Art Deco, cast metal. Let me do the math on that. So it comes to $36. I'm just having a hard time leaving it. Honestly, it's super special. They're really hard to find. I got the box for $23. Wow, look at that. What is that? Dude, what? 20% off too? That's really different. It's broken, but it's cool. Wow, there's some really interesting stuff in this. Look at the bird. Okay, I think I need to get in this case. There's a lot happening in here. Whoa, talk about a flying pig. Yeah, and on the other side of the case, I see this one is a two-sided. It's $35. It's the Princess and the Frog. And they also have that one. These are really cool. I think I'm gonna pick up some really weird special stuff. And look at that, look at that. What is it, black stone? That's cool. The turtle. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get into this case. So I ended up picking up both of the Prince and Frog pottery. They're just neat, honestly, and I've never seen them before. They were newer than I usually like them, but gosh, the music in here, but between the music and the cold, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna last, but they came to $50 for the pair, and they're just different. The content's there, and I don't mind having them hang around. Like I said, today I wanted to be kind of special, especially since I haven't been out shopping in a while, and I've taken a nice break. I've seen so much stuff this year. Kind of want to just end it with a congratulatory special shopping trip, which is this happening right now. But I do have to find some stuff to average out my cost average along the way. Again, only my second stop though. That's epic. Wow. Now look at that. Not this. That. Old early. Oh my gosh. 30% off 120. That's amazing. That's so pretty. Let me not handle that shelf too much. Well, here you go. This booth has 50% off. Can't help but notice this bottle. Why is this still here? It's only $20. It's got this tiny little nick right there, but no, it's got a huge chunk missing out of it. Just kidding. I was gonna say, it's weird that that's sitting there. So it turns out that sign actually said 20% over $100, which is, sorry, unpopular opinion. I'm just gonna say it. It's dumb. So I just got the nude and the amazing heart box. I think I did pretty well. I spent $56 in there, and I am off to the next stop. I'm at 272 Antiques. Let's go in and see what they got. There's a lot going on in here. One, I see those yellow uranium glass plates. They're 20 bucks. I also like this little carnival glass bowl. They got a discount going. Some really neat stuff in here. I love this Westmoreland slide glass basket. That's cool. I got a nice little pile going, especially with that 20%. I'm curious how heavy this Fenton vase is. It's $60 after the discount. It's insane. Now, I didn't take the vase. I think it's a little close, honestly. I did take 2 Jadeite cup and saucers, the older ones, for $12 each. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, but like also check out this amazing stretchy Santa. How fantastic is he? He's a little spendy for resale. Like I said, I really try to switch it up. That's really pretty. Look at this guy. $5, not bad. Cheap, I would say. I've had that rooster before, otherwise I'd be interested in that. Plush have really taken a dive, I should say, for me recently. I love this color of blue. 21, 12%. That's a strange discount. That's kind of fun. The little fish paperweight. $6. It's got a big chip out of it though. Now I did have to peel back the sticker a little bit. I think that says Tilso. I could be mistaken. Looks like a Tilso sticker. Really interesting. I didn't know they made paperweights. It's $8. It's kind of cool. And then what is this cat back here? Oh my gosh, that's super solid. So heavy. Never mind on that one. But here, see, that says $8. It's got a little damage at the base of it though. Notice this horse, $20, Ellie Smith, 20% off. Super heavy, but $16 seems cheap. Over here, they also have paperweights, which I wouldn't normally be that impressed by, but the prices seem to be really good. This is $5 for this iridescent star. It's kind of cool. Yeah, so I took the star, and I'm also gonna grab the horse since it's $16. I mean, kind of can't go wrong with that, I feel like. And it's kind of a nice one. $5. I like that. I'll take that one. The green is cool. I mean, should I just... See, this one's $5. Look at this. This one's different. This one's lucite. Acrylic, made in Scotland. That's kind of different. You know what? Why not? For $5, I'm not really gonna go wrong here. I don't really like that one, unpopular opinion, but I do like this one. Oh man, here's another one. This paper mache toilet paper holder, $19.50, 15% off. That's kind of a no-brainer. Now look at this. That's really different too. That's kind of cool. Dollhouse food with the skillet, $9.50. This is great. I think I'm about to get real weird. Now, these guys have 20% off as well. That is gorgeous. So that comes to like $12. I feel like that's a steal, that like moonstone look. And then this is really, wow. That comes to $12 too. That's amazing. They're never in good condition. It looks like it's all there. I'll take that. Yeah, you guys, I'm having a really good time. Wow. But I think I might surprise you with the rest. Well, I am officially drained. 2 days in Adamstown. I am ready to go home. I was gonna hit Burning Bridge, but I think I'm calling it. I spent $326 in there, and I walked away with 2 huge boxes of stuff. I'm sorry I cut it early, but it's been a long day, and I'm ready to get back on the road, and I will see you guys later.